Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if AirDrop isn't working, you can't receive files or your iPhone doesn't appear on your nearby devices, don't worry. iPhone Settings 2026 lets you configure AirDrop visibility, security and connectivity in just a few steps. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to set up AirDrop on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, go to settings, okay? So let's go to settings, scroll down and tap general. Okay, so this is where system level sharing features are managed. So now I want you to tap AirDrop. Okay, so inside general, tap AirDrop. You will see AirDrop visibility options. Okay, so now select one of the following. So we have receiving off. Okay, so no one can send you files. We have contacts only. So this is recommended. Only people in your contacts can AirDrop to you. Everyone for 10 minutes. So anyone nearby can send files temporarily. Okay, so after 10 minutes, it automatically switches back to back for security. Okay, so AirDrop requires both to be on. Okay, so it requires Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, so make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and Bluetooth is enabled. No internet connection is required. Okay, so you can also enable AirDrop instantly. So swipe down from the top right corner, okay, and press and hold the network panel, okay, and then tap AirDrop. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.